Hi guys, just going to show you today's install, which is just a little quick video on this Toyota Estima here. Now we're quite fully aware that these systems are fully loaded when you come over and they're imported from overseas. That's me just putting the volume down. So basically this system today has got an original rear camera in, which it will work with the aid of an adapter, but obviously get in touch with us for more details on this. We do offer a free rear camera with it anyway, so obviously if you wanted to put ours in or buy the adapter with yourself, then obviously you could do. So this is our 9-inch version here. I'll put a link into the description down below where to purchase it from, which is on our Iceboxauto.com website. And this is our DH range, which comes with an 8-core processor, built-in CarPlay, which is wireless, and also Android Auto. So obviously we'll just show you that one there, which is here's your Navi option here. You can download any Navi options of choice, Google Maps and stuff like that, which you can assign to that button there. This is your radio interface here. As I showed you before, it works with the steering wheel controls, as you can see here, and the change of radio track buttons, which I'm just doing that one. Just go back to here. Here's your Bluetooth, so obviously this is where you pair your phone through and get full phone box support. You can also stream music through this application from your phone. Video is where you play your videos from, and so obviously you can play these from a USB pen, which basically shows up in HD fashion here. So go into the application side here. This is where your back-end settings are, which is obviously a lot of the applications that go into there. This one's your built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, which we'll set up shortly for the customer. If you're familiar with that, you'll know what you'll get. These are just a couple of browsers here. Maps, there's your Play Store option here, which will take you into the Play Store, which we'll sign into with the customer in a short while. You can get rid of that stupid little beep beep noise if you want, and we'll do that shortly, but just taking the notes off at the moment. Obviously let's have a little look. Touch assist, and take that off there, which is a little silly button to the right hand side, left hand side there, should I say. As you can see, nice quick and responsive. This is a DVR camera which we've installed today, which is optional. As you can see, it's nice and clear, concise, and obviously you've got all your menu buttons down there. Go back out there so you can go to that one. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much in a nutshell. So there's a lot more it can do, but obviously I won't show you today. If you've got any questions anyway, all these buttons still work here, as you can see. You're down here, passenger airbag light fits into it, the clock time and stuff, all these work anyway. So get in touch with us if you've got any questions, and hope to see you soon, and you have a nice day now. Take care.